We're going to go get some breakfast at a little cafe, and then we're going to do something. I don't know what yet until we can check into our next hotel. So, see you there.
Yeah, so today is going to be, as Ashley said, more of like a nature day where there's whales, dolphins, turtles, hopefully a whole bunch of marine wildlife that we get to see. Yesterday we started out with a little bit of it, but mostly whales. Ashley has found the local dogs. Yeah, so I'm grabbing the car and we're gonna hit the road. How was it, Ash?
It was fun. Didn't see whales, but saw everything else.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We saw everything else but whales, which was really cool. So again, it is the end of the season.
So I guess we just have to come back next year, right, Colin? In the middle of the season.
Yeah, we'll come back on a boat one day.
No. If we don't have the boat next year.
Talk. Lots of friendly dogs here and people. We are now killing time on our way to the resort. We can't check in till this afternoon. So Ashley and I found this cute little pineapple field where we grabbed some pictures and did a little bit of a short hike today. But it's very cool. I don't get to see pineapples growing that often. So it's kind of fun to see how they grow. And when they get ripe, they turn yellow and fall off. So not sure if that's how they, like, see, this one's starting to turn yellow. Not sure if that's how they actually harvest them. They wait till they fall off or they cut them at this stage, but Oh, God.
Cheers. So we're at our last resort in Moorea, and it's kind of sad because that means we're leaving after we leave here. But we're enjoying a happy hour with a few drinks, and we're at the I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. I asked someone to pronounce it for me earlier, but it's called Manava. There it is. Beach resort and spa. So we'll show you around here a little bit.
We're leaving the resort. We're leaving the resort. We are going to the Cocoa Beach restaurant, which is on a little island by itself. You have to call and schedule reservations, and they pick you up from a point in one of their boats. So we'll see how this is. We think we're going to the right place. Couldn't really understand where we're supposed to meet, but we went to one hotel, and they told us the beach where to meet at because we again didn't really know where to go. So we'll see if that's actually the right spot. We're headed there now. We have arrived at the ferry dock. Oh. And the person's out there waiting for us, so let me go grab Ashley. So we are in the right spot. So there's a lady waiting for us at the end of this dock that's gonna take us to this island, which is kind of far away on the map. I don't know, she just waved at us to come down, so we'll find out. So this is like the pier thing where they told us to meet, right off the main road. Some funky looking boats. I guess they're waiting on us. Yeah. We just got our food. It looks amazing.
You see me. So we just got back from the Cocoa Beach restaurant on the island. I guess that is the name, on the island. It was really good. The food was really good. We got to swim and everything. They did lose our reservation, which we kind of thought they would because they couldn't really understand us on the phone. But overall, it was really good. And we went snorkeling.
The calcium boats.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the three of them. The calcium is the mineral, the algae is the vegetal, and the animal is the polyps. Okay, so on one normally corals, you are one colony of many polyps.
Yeah.
The polyps is makes them to a little bit hard. Okay. And go.
Is it an epoxy of some kind?
Yes.
It
looks
like that stuff we put on the windows.
Epoxy here,
Okay.
and here it is clay, sorry, in English. Clay and resin. Okay? We try to put a little bit of epoxy. Unfortunately, it is not 100% like ecological, but the thing is, even on the studies, we cannot find any glue that is stuck inside of water. That is the best actually method. Even we are in a year, it looks like this. There we go.
You got to remember where we did that, and
I
we'll
know,
come
come
back
back.
and check the progress.
It's not a problem.
We just got done doing the grafting of the coral, and we took a shower, and now we're heading around the island. It's our last day, so we're just gonna spend a few hours on the island before we take our rental car back and then take the ferry over to catch our flight. So we're gonna find a good place to eat and then catch our flight home. Sadly, yes.
Don't know if you can hear me too well. I've dropped off the rental car. It's a little bit of a hike back to the ferry terminal. I dropped Ashley off earlier, but it was easier doing this than me bringing one thing of luggage versus us going down this road with 3 things of luggage. So the ferry is here. I got like a 5-minute walk before we get there. So we'll see if I make it. We got a half an hour till it's supposed to leave, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Well, Ashley read the schedule wrong. So the ferry does not leave at 2. It arrives at 2. And it left the other port at 2. I don't know. It's 1:30. I don't know what the schedule is, but the ferry doesn't leave till 4. It's 1:30 right now.
One eternity later.
We're waiting for our results.
Looks like a normal pillow. Disposable pillows. When we travel, Colin and I like to go to the grocery store and pick up a few snacks that we don't get in the US. We have Kinder, but not these Kinder cards.
I think they're milk and I don't know. They look like 2 pieces of milk and chocolate, so we're gonna try them out.
And we also got these Oreo Crunchies, which I think is Oreos. They're exactly like Oreos, duh, but I think they're like really, really crunchy. So let's see how they taste.
We're doing the Kinder bar first. Oh God.
Well, if we can get it out. Well, don't cheat!
I'm not.
Okay.
So it's like chocolate and vanilla, I'm guessing. I
On
don't know.
one side, it looks
Yeah, it's like nougat. I don't know, not nougat. Like a waffle cone or a cone texture with, I don't know, it's kind of chocolate and I guess milk in between. That's interesting.
It's like a waffle.
It's definitely a lighter cookie.
Mm-hmm. What do you call those? Waffles? The cookies that have the different layers and you bite into them. Wafers?
Mm-hmm.
Wafers?
Mm-hmm.
A better kind of wafer. That's what it tastes like.
So the next thing, we're gonna try these Oreo crunchies. As Ashley said, they look like Oreos, but they're crunchy, I guess. Regular Oreos are crunchy.
They sound really crunchy though, like
potato chip crunchy.
yeah. Oh, no other than that.
Non-resealable. Oh god, they're tiny.
They look like cereal.
Like, it's like the size of a quarter.
Looks like you would put this in a cereal bowl and put milk on it and just eat it.
Cheers. Oh. It's a miniature Oreo.
No, not really anything.
Nothing
crunchy.
special about it. Miniature Oreo.
Not even crunchier. It tastes, the cream tastes different.
Yeah.
I like regular Oreos. These not so much.
Regular Oreos, just tiny. That's it. We'll get some more stuff tomorrow.
I mean, Colin got some beer, but... And I got a drink, but we'll share that tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll show you tomorrow.